Drive technology is in an upheaval because in spite of all the excitement over alternative drives, the combustion engine will for the immediate future remain the standard in passenger vehicles. The high temperatures and harsh environment make downtime a hot topic in the foundry. In die casting, slides are used for complex undercuts. Our temperature-rated mechanical limit switches reliably check the slide position and save you from time-consuming breakdowns. As hot foundry waste is removed, photoelectric sensors check the fill height. Special protective housings extend the useful life and reduce maintenance time and costs. Reliable container positioning is also ensured with temperature-rated inductive sensors from Balluff. The housings and cables are designed for up to 230 degrees Celsius. When it comes to the machining process, reliability plays an important role. Cutting tools are frequently changed. With Balluff Tool ID, they can be optimally managed and utilized. What that means for you is minimal scrap, higher machine availability and less inventory. Our compact inductive positioning systems fit in even the tightest spaces. They are ideal for monitoring the clamping mechanisms on tool spindles. Process media monitoring is also important. Pressure sensors reliably monitor pressures to provide for high production quality. During assembly, the engines are made from numerous individual parts. Traceability and quality control are essential in the many production steps. Our Balluff high-speed RFID system processes even large amounts of data quickly. This reduces cycle times and increases output rates. Screwed into the engine block, data carriers reliably track the entire assembly process. Our industrial cameras handle quality inspections faster and more reliably than workers. Typical applications include checking screws, attached parts and seal rings for presence and correct seating. With our Smart Light LED stack lights, you can flexibly visualize the status of your assembly process. For cycle time monitoring, you can dynamically display time windows. Any changes can be made on the fly, simply and without any mechanical modifications. Lifting up to the next level, we transform the automotive production.